Could the Bitcoin Meltup finally be here? Well, we're going to talk about it because it looks like we have some breaking news regarding Celsius. And of course, very, very interesting to see CZ from Binance and Sam from FTX go head to head on twitter.com. Could this be the bottom? Let's get into it and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, set alerts. Also, welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. Follow me on Twitter and TikTok for more. The crypto market is looking absolutely beautiful right now. We have small gains across the board. This is for active traders that are able to capitalize on this type of stuff. But when we take a look at Bitcoin here, we're looking healthy. She is currently running up to retest and hopefully flip 21.5. I am bullish on Bitcoin right now, but that is contingent on us actually being able to flip 21.5, because then we can retest about 23,000. And if in fact we do have the melt up, which I have anticipated for end of July 22nd, I think that we could definitely hit about $31,000, $32,000. And then from there, $40,000, but I don't want to get ahead of myself there. As far as Bitcoin goes short term, because remember, we are in a full-blown bear market and there's a lot of shady things happening, which we'll get into for a moment. We're on track to flip this. Things are looking good. 12-hour chart over here, we're looking fantastic. 6-hour chart, things are looking good. 4-hour chart, great. 45-minute chart is even looking good. However, please be advised there's volatility and we could get pullbacks. Another thing to note that is very, very important. Celsius was successfully able to pay down their wrapped Bitcoin loan on MakerDAO. It was for approximately 22,000 Bitcoin, but right after they paid that off, which who knows where they got the capital to do it, they went ahead and moved approximately 24,462 wrapped Bitcoin from Celsius network to FTX. Why are they doing this? Well, it could be possibly for OTC deal. I believe FTX International can do OTC deals, which shouldn't impact the market too terribly much. Plus, we have Mr. Sam talking about that the worst is over when it comes to the crypto space as far as volatility goes. I don't necessarily trust that. Either way, it's good to note that Celsius is able to get out of that Bitcoin collateralized loan because it was getting a little bit scary there. But I'm still not convinced as to what is actually happening here. Next, you guys, please note, crypto.com is going to be performing a system maintenance on July 11, 2022. This basically means that all services, I believe, besides their debit card, are going to be completely down. The app, the exchange, NFTs, DeFi wallet, DeFi dashboard, reward swap, pay, price, and tax. Nothing is happening negatively with crypto.com as of yet. This is not FUD. All I'm doing is letting you know that the exchange will be down on July 11th. So if you have funds there, you need to get them off, whatever it is, I highly recommend you plan ahead and you start doing this. Also, if you've got crypto on any exchange, please consider taking it off. Now, let's get into this story here. And big shout out to DevChart for posting this live. So we have Mr. CZ from Binance that come out and says, so Three Arrows Capital owes Voyager a few $100 million. Went bust. FTX Alameda gives 3AC $100 million but didn't save it. Alameda invests in Voyager, then takes a $377 million loan from Voyager. Okay, Voyager went bust. FTX didn't bail them out or return the money. Hard to fall. CZ is 100% right. I don't know what is happening behind the scenes, but something is not right here. The math is not adding up because this story here, Sam Bankman-Fried from FTX says he has a few billion for additional bailouts. If he's got the money for bailouts, why not bail out Voyager? But it's also interesting to see that Voyager did exactly opposite what Celsius did, and they went ahead and filed for bankruptcy, Chapter 11. All that is restructuring the company. We don't know how that's going to play out, and there is still a teeny tiny chance that Sam and FTX Alameda could actually, in fact, acquire Voyager and people can get their funds back. I've got funds there. I have no idea what's going to happen, but it's very interesting. Now, this leads us to Sam's tweet. And all of this is on Twitter. You can confirm. Sam tweeted this: always happy for people to take an interest in helping the industry. Less so if it's just pretending, but kind of wish some of them wouldn't bother asking their legal team how bankruptcy works first, or, reach out to ask for clarifications. I'm happy to inform. Sam is a straight savage, okay? Absolute straight savage. And that's like a direct hit at CZ because ZZ's kind of calling him out. What's really happening? Who knows? I'm kind of going with the idea that Voyager filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy to restructure, get their assets sorted, and then maybe FTX will buy them out. That makes sense to me, but at this point, who the heck knows what is happening? This next story over here is immensely bullish for Matic. Matic is one of my top moon bags here, but Matic ERC20 deposit and withdrawal support is now available on Robinhood. If you've got crypto on Robinhood, please get your crypto off. Okay, now you can actually remove it. Okay, we've got a Wendy's white paper on doing this. Polygon is probably going to do immensely, immensely well and is thriving through this entire thing. Price action may not directly support that at the current time, but at the same time, I think that this is going to be a long-term play. Matic is also currently trading at approximately 56 cents when we take a look at the Binance USDT chart, and they're having an absolute massive run. Next area of resistance is going to be 61 cents if they continue to be. This next story over here, the Tron DAO has reported over 2.2 billion in reserves, a guarantee 723 million USDD. I am still not touching anything that has to do with Tron's DAO and their stable coin and whatever it is they're doing. If you guys want to, that is your business. But Justin Sun is a master marketer. So please, please, please be careful here. Next, thank you all so much for watching. I will catch you tomorrow live at 10 a.m. PBST. Bye-bye.